What's up, everyone? V-Scoot here. We are opening a VeeFriends Motivated Monster comic and a blaster box of 2025 Topps Chrome. Let's see what we can hit. So, taxes are coming up. It would be awesome to get a nice, big, massive hit from both of these. But, you know. So this was from VeeFriends live stream, both of these. Oh, that's massive. Well, let's go. Let's go. That's huge. So we're keeping it right in the bag. That's getting flipped. That's a blessing. Feel these, Frenny. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We are looking for a nice hit. All right, those will be given away for free. These Topps Chromes I'll give away for free, except the Refractor yellows. So when people order on our eBay store, I like to include some free stuff just for fun. Woo! Come on. Monster hit big. I know we can hit big in here. I know we can hit big. Come on. Oh, yeah. That's big. White Eyes Black Cat. Does have a little ding right there, which is down. Little sad, but that's okay. So the White Eyes, not crazy big. 20 bucks. Maybe a little less with that ding. We'll run these Refractors and the White Eyes Black Cat as a lot. Start at 20 bucks, see what happens. But let's go. We could have definitely done worse. Nice. Yeah, I'll run all these. I'll run all these here in a big lot, these cards.